How to fix Disney Plus app won't let me log in. Hello and welcome everyone, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. There might be a couple of reasons why your Disney Plus application is not letting you log in. Firstly, check for your credential. Make sure that the credential you are trying to use to log in is registered with your Disney Plus. In the case of forgotten credential, you can tap on forgot username or forgot password. In that case, you'll be able to recover your account easily. However, if it's that not the case, you need to check for the Wi-Fi connectivity. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, enable your airplane mode, or you can switch into a better connection such as your cellular data. If the issue still persists, check if you are connected to a VPN connection. This is because Disney Plus is not available for every region. So if you are trying to use a VPN connection to log in into your Disney Plus, this technique simply won't work. So make sure to go ahead and give all of the solution a try, and you have made it to the end of the video as well. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.